to The Revision. I'm Bex.
And I'm Emily.
And today we are starting a brand new selection of videos for you, which are all to do with Ikea hacks.
Who doesn't love an Ikea hack?
I love an Ikea hack.
From the small accessories to larger pieces like furniture, we're going to be covering everything over the next few months, so keep tuned, okay?
Yeah, definitely. But we have got one to start off with for you, and I love Ikea because I think they do great stuff, but I always think you can zhuzh it a little bit.
Absolutely. So I'm going to show you what we've got today. I'm going to take this green vase and give it a bit of a zhuzh.
A zhuzh.
Yeah, what do you think of it?
I really love it. I love the geo kind of style to it. I think it would look good on really different mantelpieces just as it is. So by giving it a new style, it better be good, lady.
I think it's going to be good. The thing is, I do actually really love this colour, so I think I'm going to keep it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off these little sort of geometric shapes.
Yep.
I'm going to add some gold leaf to it.
Oh, I love a bit of gold leaf.
Yeah.
All right, well, you better get to it then.
Okay, let's do it. So first things first, you want to give your vase a bit of a clean with some soapy water and then dry it off. Then what you want to do is get some masking tape. Now I recommend this blue masking tape or frog tape. It's slightly stronger than the standard masking tape and it just means that the glue won't seep underneath. So I'm just going to tear off strips. You don't have to be particularly neat about this. And I'm going to mask off the sections that I want to add the gold leaf to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue round the edge of the vase, masking off different sections. So I might do this smaller triangle down here and maybe a larger one down there, but keep it quite random, it adds a bit of interest. And then after that, it's time for the gold leafing. So the next thing you want to do is apply some special glue to the areas that you want to put the gold leaf. Now you don't use any glue. Actually use this stuff called Acrylic Size. It is available from many craft shops and Amazon. And the good thing about this glue is it stays tacky, actually indefinitely. So even if you come back to this the next day, if you don't want to do your gold leaf in one day, it will still be tacky. So that's pretty good. So what you want to do is just use an old brush, apply a thin coat to the various areas that you want the gold leaf to go. And then you want to wait till it goes tacky, and that usually takes between sort of 10 and 20 minutes. So what I recommend is going to grab yourself a cuppa and then come back and do it. Oh, sorry, just finishing my mug of tea. So now's the fun part, is adding the gold leaf. Now the gold leaf comes in these packs. You usually get a few sheets. Now Bex bought these and they're a bit flim-flam. They're actually just loose sheets, but you can actually get sheets where the gold is attached to a backing sheet, which makes it much easier when applying. But anyway, I'll show you. So you just start layering the gold leaf onto the tacky size or the tacky glue, and then you can just tear off bits. I mean, it's so lightweight, it will just fall apart in your hands. And then just carry on, just covering that up. Don't worry about these excess bits because we can just simply brush those away later and use them on another project. So keep adding the gold leaf to the various sections that you've added the glue. And then you want to wait, I would say about 24 hours, just to make sure it's definitely dry. And then you brush it away. So after you've waited 24 hours, the next thing you want to do is remove the excess gold leaf. And you do that by using a soft brush. Now you use a soft brush and not a bristly brush because you don't want to make scratchy marks within the gold. So you just simply just push the gold away. It's as easy as that. I'm just going to turn it around. Do this section as well. And then, as I said before, you want to keep these little scraps. We've got a little pot here. Keep those because you can use those for another project. And then once you've gone round the whole of the vase, it's the exciting reveal where you peel off the masking tape. But I think I'm going to get Bex in to show her because I'm a bit of a show off. So let's do that.
All right, Smarty Pants. So apparently you've got something to show me.
I do! So remember that vase that you thought was so perfect it was? Mm-hmm. Well, I've added some gold leaf and I wanted to do the reveal with you.
Because... Oh, I bet you did.
Yeah, exactly. I'm showing off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start peeling off this masking tape.
Okay.
And look at that love.
So you have to peel it off slowly?
No, you can do it fast. I'm just doing it slowly just because it's
just
so...
savour it.
Yeah, I'm savouring every single moment of this. And to reveal, sometimes a crisp line, sometimes not such a crisp line. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So you're going to take off these one by one. Want to have a go?
Yeah, all right.
All right.
Yes, I would love to have a go. I'm just a bit jealous actually because I do really like this. That's why I'm being a bit funny about it.
I just really love the way the gold and the green sit together.
Yeah.
I really love that combination.
Yeah, and like we said, like it looked great before, but it's always nice to give it a bit of a zhuzh, isn't it?
Exactly, and then you can show it off and be proud of it and say, hey, look what I made.
And you know what I really love as well is that actually this is relatively easy work. It's not too time consuming,
no.
It's a little bit of personalisation, and it's something that is, you know, takes what, minutes to do? If that?
Well, yeah, I mean, it takes minutes. I mean, you have to leave it overnight, obviously.
You tell I'm impatient.
And it's also seriously cheap as well because you get these packs of gold leaf. You can use them on so many different surfaces.
Even if they are flimsy, and just to note on that, they're not that bad to use. I think she's just being picky.
I know, they were just flying away, but actually, as you can see, they've made a fantastic result on this vase, so I'm really pleased.
Oh, that looks great. I love it. So there you have it. We have our very first IKEA hack for you. I hope you enjoyed it. You enjoyed it, right?
I really enjoyed it.
Yes. Yeah, it was good fun. So if you enjoyed watching what Emily was doing, and in fact revealing it to me as well, then please give us a like on this video. If you've got any comments whatsoever, leave them down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe as well, because we're going to have loads more videos coming your way very soon. But for now, we'll see you later.
See ya.
Bye.